Hey Blues, welcome back to Vendblue, where we show you how to turn what you love into income. My name is Omonso Oyarikwa, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial for creating and selling memberships on Vendblue. Memberships are subscription-based offerings where your community of followers pay a recurring fee monthly, quarterly, or yearly to access exclusive content or perks. Examples of membership offerings include behind the scenes videos or tutorials, early access to new products, membership only live streams or Q&A sessions, even digital downloads, templates, and printable materials, sometimes discounts or bundles. The advantage is that membership creates a predictable recurring revenue stream while helping you build a closer connection with your most engaged audience. With that said, let's get into the how.
To create a product, tap Create a Product, then select Product Type. There are a variety to choose from, but for this video, we will be creating memberships. For tutorials on other products, tap the card above or click the link in the description box. Once you've selected a product, you will be redirected to the info page. Here, you can put a name, description, and thumbnail for your product. And with our Generate AI feature, you can feed prompts of what you want to get high converting names and product description. Feel free to edit this as you wish, or just use a write-up that you prefer. Click here to insert a thumbnail for your product. Add the amount, category, and the caption, which is the first thing people read before they see more product details. Toggle to content, and because this is a membership, pick your platform of choice and insert the link to it, then tap Publish. Once published, you can easily see your products, and anyone with your store link can see the products as well.
And that's it for today's video. If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have questions or need help, you can always book a quick call with our customer service team. Tell us in the comment section. Do you have a membership set up on Vendblue? Share what perks or exclusive content you offer. Drop a link, because you never know who is watching. Someone might be looking to join your community today. Bye Blues, don't forget, we're here to help you turn what you love into income.